back and change every scene, every word that was said. Just wipe our slate clean. But why rewind and try to pretend we can't fix who we are? What is broken won't mend. But what if we waited instead of diving into something that never really did begin? What if we'd waited? What if we'd waited? Maybe we wanted a little too much. Jumped with our hearts, not our minds, straight into love. What if we'd waited? What if we'd waited? Why must we try